I'm back with another subscription box. Hi, I'm Caroline and I have an addiction to buying subscription boxes off the internet. I say addiction, this is my second time doing it and no regrets. So a couple of weeks ago I did a Stitch Fix unboxing and review and I thought it was great, and unfortunately not all the clothes suited me though. And then I stumbled across Lookiero, yeah, and they're basically the same thing as Stitch Fix. Yeah, I think they're exactly the same concept. So I had to give them a go, obviously. If you're new around here, my name is Caroline. I have a husband called Sean and a baby boy called Ellis. I post all sorts of videos on this channel really, ranging from lifestyle, baby, motherhood and Disney. And so if that sort of thing interests you, then please hit the subscribe button and stick around. You never know what I might put up next. Anyway, let's get into this video. So I can't remember much about Lookiero, apart from what I saw on the advert very quickly, which was a woman wearing a coat, and that's about it. I filled in a questionnaire online. It wasn't as extensive as the Stitch Fix one, so goodness knows what I'm going to get in this box. I have not opened it, as you can see, so I'm excited to see what's in there. I scoured the internet and I found a £10 referral code online, so I didn't have to pay the £10 fee. I will link any referral codes I have down below for Lookiero and for Stitch Fix if you fancy giving this sort of thing a go. I'm doing it because I'm trying to change my style. I've had this jumper, fun fact, this jumper is from Zara, okay? This is the sort of style that I have. I found this jumper on the floor on a Saturday morning, on South Bank side in London, one of the walkways in South Bank. I was just out for a walk with Sean, as you do on a Saturday morning. Saw this jumper on the floor, probably some poor girl dropped it drunk the night before, picked it up, took it home, had it ever since. That's my story. Yeah, that's how I like to find clothes, by getting them for free from the side of the road. Anyway, so yes, I'm trying to change my clothes because a lot of the time I just wear jeans and hoodies and found jumpers. In the Stitch Fix I did last time, I got some more jeans, shock horror, and a really nice green jumper, which I haven't had the chance to wear yet because this weather is miserable. It's been raining for like 4 days straight. I've got a cold. If you can hear that, I apologise. Anyway, let's go and open the box. It's really heavy. I feel like there could be shoes in this one, but I did think there were shoes in the Stitch Fix and there weren't. So, dun dun dun. First reaction, please. Packaging. What I will say is that in the Stitch Fix boxes, so I've done it twice, Stitch Fix. Once I filmed, once I looked at and sent straight back because the clothes were not to my style at all. And I've looked at some reviews of Stitch Fix online since, and I've realised that the stylist actually writes a personalised note for you in the box. I missed that completely, so I'm a bit bummed out. I missed what the stylist said to me. Do I want to open this now? I'm going to open this after I've seen what I've got, because there's no fun. Oh, there's 2 bags. Oh, and there's no shoes, so what have we got? First thing, I'm not too keen on the colour, I don't know what it is, but anyway, right, we have a, oh actually it's not too bad, the colour's not my sort of thing, so it's a jumper, a maroon jumper. What does it look like with my hair? I guess it's alright, I'm not the biggest fan of maroon, but anyway, that's an extra small apparently, lol. That's quite nice, I guess, from the brand Be Young. So it's really soft. I guess the colour isn't my sort of thing, aubergine, but the shape of it is quite nice. So, let's see. A t-shirt with words on it. Oh, now this is interesting. A t-shirt. Now, is this really vintage? Is this really unfashionable? or is this now in fashion? Because I'm sure I've seen so many people with these t-shirts many moons ago. Are these fashionable now? I'm trying to envision someone wearing one, and I feel like, you know, last time I saw people wearing these t-shirts was when I was like 20, and I don't know. Is this cool? Is this what cool people wear now? I'm baffled. Really? I'm really confused. I don't think these were like in fashion mode, even though this existed anymore. Maybe it's vintage. I don't know. And then we have another, don't like this. No. No. I'm sorry, but this is not for me. No, I will try it on obviously, but I can tell you now. No, I'm not the biggest fan of, well, first of all, it looks like an office attire sort of top, and I don't work in an office. So therefore, no. I'm not too keen on the like green and navy tiger style print, and I don't like these weird poofy sleeves. No. So on the first instance, not keen on that one. Even trying it on, I'm not going to keep this, because I just think, even if it looks nice on, I can't wear that. No. Anyway, on to the next section. Ooh, jeans. More jeans only. Skinny jeans. I've got a problem. I don't need any more jeans, but these are really nice. These have like little thingy-majiggies on the knees. It's so hard to show like clothes in a tiny little screen. They're nice. Hopefully they fit. It's hard to know with jeans. I've mentioned this before. My bum and my hips are all sorts of sizes. So they look nice though. They're skinny ones. And the last thing is a jacket. From the brand Only. Faux fur. Faux fur? Faux leather. Which is good, because if it was leather I would not be keeping it. Hashtag vegan. I mean, do I want to wear a jacket like this? I'm just not sure. It's cool. I mean, I'm just not sure if I'm cool enough to pull this sort of thing off. I'm very sort of average. I'm not that cool. I would like to think I'm cool, but I'm not sure if I'm cool enough to wear this snazzy jacket. So I'm not sure about that. The coat I currently wear, I got from a car boot sale for 50p. I don't know. We'll try this on, we'll see. I'm not sure if I could pull off a leather jacket though, because like I said, I'm not cool. Maybe I could become cool. Maybe these clothes will make me cool. Those jeans, and the Lee t-shirt, I could be onto something. Anyway, let's see what the little note says. Hey, for Caroline, how sweet. I do quite like that, the fact they personalised it. Some stickers. This isn't necessary. What am I going to do with stickers? Personally, I would say that's a waste of plastic. Not needed. What am I going to do? What am I going to do with Lookiero stickers? I'm not, you know, not needed. Anyway, that's a different story altogether. So basically it's just like all the things styled in certain ways. Hi Caroline, welcome to Lookiero. Lookiero. I've chosen a range with pieces I feel is perfect for your style. I've steered away from stripes and navy. I really hope, because I did say I don't want to wear stripes or navy, because that's all I wear. I really hope you like the selection. To start off with, I have paired the super comfy blue distressed jeans by Only with the aubergine jumper by B. Young. This outfit is perfect for your free time. Style it with ankle boots or white trainers. This colour is going to look gorgeous on you. I can see from your pictures this is the colour you're missing. Because you also give your Instagram handle so they can see what you look like. Next, I've chosen a super cool white slogan... White? That's light blue, but okay. White slogan tee by Lee. This is another staple to wear with any of your jeans. To add a fun pop of colour and print, I've chosen a printed blouse by Sugar Hill. Wear it tucked into the jeans or worn out, both will look great. Complete both your day and night outfits with a black biker jacket by Only. This is the kind of jacket you can wear with any outfit, add an effortlessly trendy finish. Have fun trying everything on. Hope you enjoy your first Lookiero experience. Sonal. Let's see the pricing of everything. So the aubergine jumper was $34.99. The jacket, faux leather, is £42. You know what? That's not that bad. I was thinking that's going to be like in the hundreds. For £42 for that faux leather jacket. Okay. The Lee leather, no. The Lee t-shirt is $18.99. The jeans were 45 and the shirt, the green shirt that I don't like, is £48, the most expensive thing. So the subtotal, not including discount, is £188. Styling fee is taken off, and then you get a 25% discount if you keep everything. With Stitch Fix, you get 20% discount if you keep everything, so it's 5% more. So if I were to keep everything, the total would be £134.24. So it's not that bad in the grand scheme of things, £134 for 5 items of clothes, including a jacket. But my only concern is, it's long sleeve thing is something I would not consider keeping, even though I haven't tried it on yet. So I won't be able to keep all 5 items. But anyway, let's try these things on. Okay, so, first of all, I'm not sure about this top. It fits better than the Stitch Fix one before, where it just sort of like revealed my stomach all the time. But I'm not sure how I feel about, you know, this weird sort of style, you know, like if it's real tight around my forearms, it makes me feel a bit uneasy. And then all this added material here, you know, I don't think, I'm just not keen on that. And the seam down here makes me feel like it's inside out, and it's not. I've had to check. It's not. No, it's not. The jeans, although nice, you won't be able to see where you, they're super long. I don't know what size I put down I was, but they're really long. I feel like, I know that, you know, I don't need that in my life. They're really, really soft though, and they fit, oh, excuse you, they don't feel like, you know, the sort of jeans where you don't feel like you're wearing like jeans. They're really sort of like nice material. Which is good to know actually, because I've never actually, well, the only brand looks like DKNY, so I thought it was DKNY at first. I was like, what on earth? But it's not, obviously. And they also are the Better Cotton initiative, where it means they're using responsibly sourced cotton, which is very good to know. So I don't think I'll be keeping, well, I don't think I'll be keeping this, because like I said, I'm not too keen on like this weird, it's alright, I just feel like it just makes my arm look really long, you know? I just don't quite think it's my sort of, it doesn't flatter me. And then, yeah, the jeans, like I say, the jeans are very nice on, they feel really soft, but I do have like 3 new pairs of jeans. One's from Stitch Fix before, and then I bought a couple, I've got 2 new pairs of jeans. One I bought from Stitch Fix and one I bought from Lindex a couple of weeks ago. So I feel like I don't need another pair, because I've already got obviously jeans from before that as well. So I feel like, although these are nice, I'm not going to bother investing in another pair of jeans. But it's good to know the brand exists, because I had no idea that only existed. And they are very soft and they're very movable. If anything, what's annoying is I prefer these over the jeans I got from Stitch Fix. That's a no for me. Puffy sleeves. Alas, my love, you do me wrong. No, this isn't for me, as predicted. What is this for? I get a chill. It's as predicted. I like it, like I said, I like the colour, I do like it. And these jeans are so comfortable. Oh, such a shame that I'm not keeping them. Yeah, I like it. It's just a t-shirt, isn't it? Yeah, and then the jacket. I just showed Sean this jacket, and his reaction was a laugh, and then went vroom, vroom, vroom. So I'm going to say it's a no for the jacket. It'll be rude not to try it on. I feel like a frump. It's nice. I'm not going to say, like, this is a nice outfit. I'm not going to, you know, slate it. It's a nice outfit. Obviously I'll tuck that in. But it's not something where I feel like it's too similar to what I currently wear, but then also completely different to what I currently wear as well. If you know what I mean? Like, it's jeans and a t-shirt and a comfortable jacket is what I wear on a regular basis. But this is just taking it to the next level that I'm not prepared to go to. Yeah, it's nice, but the jacket, well, first of all, it's far too small. But a bit too boxy, I think, as well. Yeah, it's nice. It's just not for me. Maybe one day, Sun's changed. My hair's all screwed up now, more like changing of clothes. Just thought I'd highlight something. This is the t-shirt I was wearing underneath my jumper, my found on the streets of London jumper, as just a, you know, it's, and then I'm also wearing jeans from Lindex, so they goes to sort of show that all the clothes are pretty much the same as my own style, apart from the edgy word Lee across the front. So yeah, I don't think this box has been, well, I wouldn't say it's a success, because actually I do like the stuff that I've been sent, minus that one top. I do like the things I've been sent. I like the Lee top, I like the jeans, I really like the jeans. The aubergine thing is alright, maybe it'll grow on me, but I just can't imagine myself ever reaching for it if it was in my cupboard. And the jacket again is something where I'm like, what will be the occasion I need to wear like a leather-ish jacket for? I feel like I don't have any sort of need for it because, well, I'm not going out anywhere. I've got a 1-year-old. I'm not going to the club. Obviously, coronavirus is stopping that anyway. And also, I don't know if I'm wanting to be that level of cool, if you know what I mean. Like, I want to be a fun, cool parent who doesn't, but I'm not wanting to be the fun, cool parent that wears a leather jacket. You know? You know. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to keep anything from this box this time. Like I said, whenever I do need another pair of jeans, I will have a look at the Only brand, if they have a website. I'm sure they do. I do really like these jeans. They are really soft and they fit really well, and I just think they're good, well, they're good quality obviously with the whole organic cotton. So I like the little like rip on the knee and stuff. Yeah, so they are too long, so I wouldn't be able to keep this pair anyway. So I'm sure I could probably exchange them on the website, but I don't need another pair of jeans. So a bit more, you know, of a faff than I can be bothered to deal with. So yeah, unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to keep anything from this box this time, but there's always next time. I'll leave my referral links for Lookiero. I can't say the bloody thing. Lookiero. Lookiero. I don't know. I'll leave my referral links for Lookiero and Stitch Fix down below if you fancy giving these a go as well. If you do give them a go, let me know, because I'd love to know your thoughts on what you get, if you get anything fun. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Like I said before, if you want to see more content like this and a wide variety of other sorts of stuff that I can think up of, please hit the subscribe button, and then follow me on Instagram as well, I guess. I do post quite a lot on Instagram. I do Instagram stories quite regularly. And so if you want to see what I'm up to during the week, follow me on Instagram. And yeah, that's it really. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!